Self-help says, if I get what I want, I'll finally be happy.
Right here? Right now?
Yeah, I'm attracting it.
Looks like you're attracting bullets too.
If I get what I want, it feels okay.
For a moment?
Then I want something else.
That's the problem. The whole structure is wrong.
People think peace is outside.
So they try to change it.
I did that too.
That's why it never ends. Why do you still believe that?
The world keeps changing!
That's the problem!
Nothing stays!
And you still rely on it!
What if nothing in the world actually matters?
You're asking that now, you idiot?
If it doesn't matter, could you stay peaceful anyway?
If you can, that's real power!
Then what's the problem?
One,
What is it?
you believe you're separate from God.